to do what nobody else will do, in a way that nobody else can do, in spite of all we go through, that is to be nurse. A very warm good morning to one and all respected our principal ma'am, vice principal miss, teachers, non-teaching staffs, and my dear brothers and sisters. I, Susaumit Lecturer, standing in front of you all to deliver a speech on the topic International World Nurses Day. Today, 12th May 2026, we gather to celebrate International Nurses Day, a day dedicated to the real heroes in white uniforms. This day is chosen to honor the birth anniversary of Florence Nightingale, born on 12th May 1820 in Florence, Italy, to a rich British family, but she chose service over comfort. In 1854, during the Crimean War, she went to a military hospital in Turkey with 38 nurses. The hospital was dirty and crowded, and many soldiers died from infection. She worked day and night to clean the wards, improve food, and care for the wounded. She carried the happy lamp during night rounds, so soldiers lovingly called her the lady with the lamp. She changed nursing from a job into a respected profession. She died on 13th August 1910 in London, England, when she was 90 years old. She passed away, but her lamp of service still lights the path of every nurse today. Who is nurse? A nurse is not just a person who gives injection or checks BP. A nurse is the first hand that holds a newborn, the calm voice that comforts a scared patient, and the last person to close a patient's eyes with dignity. In every hospital from AIMS Delhi to small clinics in Darjeeling Hills, nurses are the heart of healthcare. We all saw their sacrifices during COVID-19. While we stayed at home, nurses worked 12 to 16 hours shifts in PPE kits. They could not drink water or use the washroom for hours. Many did not see their children for months. Some even lost their lives, but they never stepped back from duty. That is true courage. What makes nurses special? It is their 3 C's, that is care, compassion, and commitment. Doctors may cure in minutes, but nurses heal with hours of care. They remember if you like your tea without sugar. They notice when your pain increases and explain things to worried families. They handle emergencies with steady hands and emotional patience with soft words. The theme for 2026 is Our Nurses, Our Future, the economic power of care. This means healthy nurses build a healthy economy. When nurses are trained well and paid fairly, the whole country benefits. One nurse can serve thousands of patients in her career. Today, nursing is not limited to hospitals. We have school nurses, military nurses, community healthcare nurses, and even nurse researchers. In India, over 3 million nurses serve our 1.4 billion people. Still, WHO, World Health Organization, say we need more nurses. So to my young friends, nursing is a noble and secure career. Before I end, I want to share a small poem for every nurses, that is Hands That Heals. In silent halls where pain resides, you walk with hope, you stand with pride. No clocks, no rest, no word of praise. Yet you bring light to darkest days. Your touch is calm, your voice is care. In every word, you're always there. Not angels born with wings to fly, but humans strong who never say goodbye. So here's a salute, so pure, so true. Dear nurses, this world needs you. On this day, let us make 3 promises. Number 1, respect nurses, don't shout in hospitals. Number 2, thank them. A simple thank you means a lot. Number 3, support them, encourage better working conditions. So lastly, but not the least, I would like to conclude my speech by saying that to every nurses here and around the world, we salute your spirit. You don't wear capes, but you save lives every day. Happy International Nurses Day to all. Thank you.